Hey, hi, how are you? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఎప్పుడు ఇన్కేస్ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. This is me, your Rupesh. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Our channel has content related to travel, motor vlogging and lifestyle. I'm back with another video. I'm going for a trip. It is a pre-planned and pre-booked one, so I cannot avoid it, even though the times are being little tough now. So it's for my son's birthday. You already know where I am going. It is already there in thumbnail as well as title. So I'm going to the Queen of Hills, which is Ooty from Bangalore. So let me hit the road. It's 9 o'clock and getting late for me. Let me start and I'll talk to you guys from the car. So we are at Yeshwanthpur signal. From here we have 3 routes to go to Ooty actually. One through Ramnagara, Channapatna, the other one through Kanakapura, but I'm not going to use both of the routes. I'm going to use a different route today. Just keep watching, I'll show you. So here if we go, we'll go to Nagabarvi and Kengeri, Ramnagara and Kanakapura. I'm going straight at cable work. I'm under Goruguntepalli flyover. It is actually closed for cable work, so we are going under this, and there are 5 to 6 signals and it will take like 10 to 15 minutes here. So toll gate number 1 in today's journey. This is Nelmangala toll gate. It took 20 minutes to reach this toll gate from Yeshwanthpur. Generally it takes 5 minutes, but because of flyover work it took 20 minutes. So I'm joining NH5 here. This is Nelmangala. It took 1 hour. Yes, it took 1 hour from my home, which is in Nagavara. You can see this is a road which takes us to Bangalore highway. But I'll take a diversion after traveling around 70-75 kilometers from here. Keep watching, I'll show. This is one of the route which we can go to Mysore as well. You can see Hasana, Mangalore. This is toll number 2, Nelamangala Devi Hilli Express Private Limited. I'll write the name of the toll gate. So if you come this way, this is the second toll gate, and probably this is the last, I guess. Let me see if there is any other toll gate in the next 70 kilometers. Time is 10:30. We started from home at 9:20. 90 rupees. Toll gate number 3. I travel close to 70 kilometers from that toll gate. So this is the second toll gate on this road, and in total third toll gate. After this toll gate we need to take a left towards NH 158. So that will be the road which takes us to Mysore, which is around 100 kilometers. Total 200 kilometers if we come this way to Mysore. If you go through Ramnagara and Channapatna, Mandya, it is 180 kilometers. But this road is far better and hassle-free road. That is a very busy stretch and there are a lot of diversions. I'm taking a left here. This is just 500 meters after the toll gate. Till Mysore the road will be like this. Just keep watching, I'll show you, and I'll also give the road update once I reach Mysore, because I have divided my journey into 2 parts: Bangalore to Mysore and Mysore to Ooty. So Bangalore to Mysore there are 3 routes, and Mysore to Ooty there are 2 routes. I traveled 15 kilometers in this road, and this is NH 150A. I will say this is far better compared to Ramnagara and Mandya road. Traffic is also less and the road is very good. Even though this is a 2-lane road, you can see the road is broad. So we are in Pandavapura. After this, Srirangapatna, and then Mysore outskirts. The road is pretty good till now. We travel close to 60 kilometers. After Pandavapura, we are going through Srirangapatna. From here, I will not go into Mysore city. I will take the outskirts through the same NH 158. After Srirangapatna, there is this road work which is going on, so it's a bit slow after Srirangapatna. Mysore is 7 kilometers. After that 7, I will take a left diversion. So this is the patchwork which is going on. So that's the outer road which will avoid Mysore, but I checked on Google Map, it's showing through Mysore it takes lesser time, so I'm going this way. So I'm going inside Mysore now. If you can see on the map, this is the outer road. It was showing 5 minutes slower. So this is showing 5 minutes slower. So I'm going through Mysore now, and also if you go outside, it's 10 kilometers extra. Here, 10 kilometers is lesser, and 5 minutes faster. So I'm going through Mysore now. Let me visit Mysore for the second time. This is my second visit to Mysore. That's Mysore Palace. Unexpected visit. We are not going inside. We don't want to waste our time. We already visited, so we are going straight. There is no traffic. Hardly 10 minutes. So another 10 minutes we'll be out of Mysore. I think that's it. This is the outer road of Mysore. We just crossed the palace and we took a left. I am here in the outskirts of Mysore. I am at a signal. I have to go straight to Bandipur and all. If you can see there, see the board, Ooty, Kodaikanal, Kozhikode, this side, Madikeri, Bangalore. And that side, Mysore city, palace, Jew, Chamundi Hills. Straight. It took 3.5 hours with 15 minutes break to reach to Mysore, which is a very good time in that road, and in the peak time, like 9:30 we started, 9:25 we started at home, so Bangalore traffic was also heavy. But somehow 3 hours 15 minutes is a very good time, and the road is very good. Even if you want to come to Mysore, you can use that route. This is one straight road to Bandipur. After Bandipur, I'll show you. Toll gate number 4 after Mysore airport. There is, I don't know how many toll gates are there, but this is number 4. And time is 1:05. This toll gate is 50 rupees. After 30 kilometers from the toll gate, the 4 lane has completed and now it's a 2 lane. This is also good, like the road which is from Ediyur to Srirangapatna, that NH 150. It's almost like this. We are searching for lunch. Time is 1:20. We are not hungry, so we didn't eat near Mysore. I don't know whether we'll get some good hotel here or not, but we have to fill our stomachs. By the way, this is day 1. There will be more videos coming after this. Please keep watching.
పడిపోయింది ట్రక్ ఏదో.
Accident? We have stopped at this place called Misty Rock. It is just before Gundlupete. We didn't find any hotels after Mysore, so this is the only place we found. So let me go have lunch. So we have ordered gobi manchuri. Let me taste how is it. We already tasted it. It's nice. Kadai paneer and chapati. They don't have roti. Chapati and parota. We have ordered for chapati. Gobi was nice. This is also nice, but no salt. We are done having our lunch. The bill was 470. Food was okay, not bad or not good, but manageable for one day. And you can see there is a coffee day there. So if you want coffee or if you are a coffee lover, you can visit Coffee Day. From here, Ooty is 70 kilometers, and Google Maps is showing 2.5 hours. Inside Gundlupete town. After this, Bandipur, then checkpost, then Ooty. After checkpost, there are 2 ways to go to Ooty. I will show that as well. So this is Bandipur Tiger Reserve. I think this is Karnataka checkpost. Okay, we have entered Bandipur Tiger Reserve. Let me see if I can spot some deers, elephants, or maybe a tiger.
So much of expectation.
So much. Not even 1.5 hours.
ఆపాల్సిందే అక్కడ. నాట్ బి రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఫర్ అటాక్ బై ఎలిఫెంట్. ఎక్కడ
ఎక్కడో ఒక చోట
ఎక్కడ?
చూస్తూ ఉంటుంది వాడేమో చూపిస్తాం ఎక్కడ ఉంది. ఈ టైంలో ఉన్నాను ఇది ఎండ కదా, అన్నీ పడుకుంటాయి లోపల అన్ని గమ్మున. ఏ టైంలో అయితే బయటకు వస్తాయి. సో వీఆర్ ఇన్ బందీపూర్ టైగర్ రిజర్వ్. యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో నథింగ్ ఈస్ స్పాటెడ్. Watching something because it's sunny on almost 3 p.m. We may not get a chance to see anything. But let's hope.
బుడ్డు డీర్.
Deers. Do. आप टीवी दीजिए वरना.
నానా డీర్ ఆపుడే.
आप बोलते हो offense. Smoking is an offense here.
దో ఇట్ సైడ్ దో నానా.
ఏడ్రా
ఇక్కడ ఇట్ సైడ్
విండోలో చూడరా ఆడ చూడు.
ఇదో
ఇది ఎంట్రీ చెక్ పోస్ట్. విజిట్ అగైన్ కర్ణాటక స్టేట్. ఓకే we crossed కర్ణాటక border.
ఏ బార్డర్. అది తీసుంటే బాగుండేది కానీ పోలీస్ కదా ఎందుకు. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే చెప్పారు పోలీస్ అంకుల్ నీకు.
అన్నా
ఇక్కడ కూడా ముదుమలై పక్క పక్కనేనా రెండు.
So they stopped us.
I couldn't capture.
They didn't ask anything. They were just checking if we are carrying liquor in the dicky. That's it. They didn't ask for vaccination certificate or they didn't ask for e-pass or anything. They were just checking for liquor. That's it. I was actually not able to shoot because I got down and went behind.
And they wished him also.
They wished. Budu, Anna ఏం చెప్పినాడు నాన్న నీకు? ఎవరు చెప్పింది హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే? Wish.
పోలీస్.
Friend police. People were confusing, saying so many things. You need e-pass, you need vaccination certificate. Even though you have vaccination certificate, you need RT-PCR. But there was nothing which is.
ఎలిఫెంట్ రోడ్ లో పోతుంది.
ఎక్కడ?
అక్కడ.
జంగల్ ఎలిఫెంట్ కాదు. ఎందుకు ఎత్తుకొని పోతుంది?
గట్టి మూవ్.
విండో తీసుకున్నాను. So there was a 30 rupees entry ticket for the Tiger Reserve. It's in Tamil. So Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. And I think we have reached the junction where we take diversion. We take a right and go to Gudlur and go to Ooty. And if we go this way, this is Masungudi Ghat, which is 36 hairpin curves. I am going this way. While coming, I will go that way. Let's see.
Into the wilds.
Ooty is 29 kilometers straight. We just crossed the safari booking park. I don't know what the name. What is the name?
మసీనా గుడి.
Masinagudi. Masinagudi. Police is calling. Police.
వాళ్ళు ఫోటో తీసుకునే కానీ.
Number 1. I felt this is a number 1, but I don't know whether this is the first curve or not. It was steep, but okay. See those railing, those are the latest technology which is not there in India before 2019. You can check them. These are rubber barriers which absorbs any accident or any crash, it will, those rubber barriers will take the impact so that the vehicle speed will get reduced. Even here you can see, yes, there are too much hairpin bends. Be careful here. Hairpin bend number, I think there is a number, 34 by 36.
36 ఉన్నాయి.
32 dear.
36
ఇప్పుడు ఆ నెంబర్ ఉంది 32 by
అవును, ఇది 32nd of 36.
ఉల్టా ఉంది. మొన్న లెక్క ప్రకారం 5. The time is 4 p.m. but it's damn hot. That is why you are not able to see anything. But the landscape is so beautiful around. We are almost done with the curves. But it's too hot. Actually, the sun is this side only, directly onto the camera. You can see on the left it's okay, but right side I'm not able to show anything. I was in a wrong perception, thinking that Ooty will be too cold, but it's not cold. I have stopped on the side of the road. Just see the landscape around. I'll stop at one more place. This is hairpin number 7, so there are 7 more hairpins. See the hairpins. Hairpin number 5. Just hairpin number 4.
స్టార్ట్ అయింది చలి. ఎంత సడన్ గా మారింది.
ఒక్కసారిగా సడన్ డిప్ ఇన్ టెంపరేచర్
అంతే.
5.
ఎంత ఉంది టెంపరేచర్ చూడు.
18 from 28 to 18, 28 or 29, from 29 to 18 within hardly 10 to 15 minutes, not even 10 minutes.
2-3 minutes.
2-3. When I got down for taking that landscape video, it was around 25. All of a sudden 18. I can feel the chillness already. So sudden. Drastic change in the temperature. The 36 hairpin curve sudden, I don't feel they're difficult, but the ones who are getting down, it's a bit difficult. If you draw guards already, you can drive, there is no issue. Here the roads are broad, steep, you can happily drive now. Think we have reached Ooty? Not yet. It's still showing straight. Let me see.
వచ్చేసింది ఊటీ.
రాలేదు ఇంకా.
దో
No?
మా వేరే వస్తానమ్మా.
వేరే ఊటీ కాదు, ఉండేది ఒక ఊటీనే. Yeah, we are inside Ooty. Wow. I came last in 2012, I think. I don't remember properly, 2012 or 2013. That was my last visit after 8-9 years almost. I don't even remember many places, anything.
It's a toy train.
Tomorrow. Yes, we guys are going in toy train. Next video. Please wait. Saloon anta. మనం కూడా వెరైటీగా ఎక్కడెక్కడైనా హెయిర్ కట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. స్ట్రీట్ షాపింగ్, స్ట్రీట్ షాపింగ్, స్ట్రీట్
Tibetan
షాపింగ్.
market ಅದು.
Tibetan market. This is actually Upper Bazaar, I think.
అటు సైడ్ కూడా ఉన్నట్టుంది లోపల.
I know better.
అటు సైడ్
ఇదేంటి బొటానికల్ huge. Shopping.
This is not your section. ఇదే మెయిన్ గేట్ లో
Main gate is there.
బాబు దేవా
మెయిన్ గేట్ లో ఉంటుంది ప్రతిసారి ఇటు దిగాల్సిందే పిచ్చి రోడ్
అడుగుతాను.
పార్కింగ్ ఇది
So this is the view and this is a room. That is a road and that is the town of Ooty. Let me show you my room. So this is the entrance and this is awesome. This is the locker area. This is bed, one good mirror, and then this is the view from room. That's it for the video. This is a day one trip from Bangalore to Ooty and this is the view. I'll be showing more of this view in the next videos which are coming in the channel, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like the video, please press the like button. This is me, your Rupesh, signing off. Take care. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.